Arif Adi. My student ID is 240603060, and I am a student of class A6 Elementary School Teacher Education 2024 at IKIP Siliwangi. Today, I would like to share my reflection about teaching English in elementary school based on what I have learned in the course English for Primary School Teacher. As future elementary school teacher, we need to realize that education is also changing. Today, many schools have adopted international program or use learning resources written in English. Some schools even conduct lessons full in English. Because of this, I believe that improving our English skill is no longer just an advantage. It is an important part of preparing ourselves to become professional teacher. The first question is, why is English important for elementary school students? I believe that introducing English at an early age gives children many opportunities. Young children are naturally curious and they can observe new language more easy than adults. Learning English can improve their confidence, communication skill, creativity, and readiness for future education. However, I think the goal is not to make children memorize difficult grammar rules. The goal is to help them become familiar with English and enjoy using it in simple situations. The second question is, what are the characteristics of young learners that teachers, students understand? Young learners love to play, move, sing, explore, and ask questions. They become bored if learning only consists of listening to long explanation. They also have different learning styles and different level of confidence. Some children enjoy speaking immediately, while others need more time before they feel comfortable. Because of this characteristic, teachers need to create a classroom where children feel safe to learn. Students should never be afraid of making mistakes. In fact, making mistakes is a natural part of learning new language. When students answer incorrectly, teachers should guide and encourage them instead of making them feel embarrassed. The third question is, how should English be taught in elementary school? Based on what I learned in this course, English should be taught through meaningful, enjoyable, and student-centered activities. Teachers can use activity-based learning, game-based learning, song, storytelling, flashcard, pictures, real object, and simple conversation that are related to studying daily life. This method helps children understand vocabularies more easy because they learn in real experience and active participation. Personally, if I become an elementary school teacher, I want to start with simple English that children can use every day. For example, greeting like good morning, thank you, please, or simple classroom expressions such as open your book, sit down, and raise your hand. But hearing and using this expression every day, students will gradually become more confident in speaking English naturally. The fourth question is, how can English learning build students' character? I believe English learning is not only about language, it is also about building character. Through work, group discussion, games, and classroom activities, students learn how to cooperate, respect others, communicate politely, become responsible, and appreciate different opinions. These values are just as important as learning vocabularies or pronunciation because they prepare children to become good citizens in the future. Besides answering those questions, I also want to talk about the challenges and opportunities of teaching English today. When challenges it that many students think English is difficult or scary. Sometimes they are afraid of speaking because they were worried about making mistakes or being laughed at by their friends. If this continues, they may lose confidence and stop trying. As future teacher, I think we have an important responsibility to change that mindset. We should create a positive classroom atmosphere where every student feels impressed. Instead of focusing only on mistakes, we should praise their effort, encourage them to keep practicing, and gently correct their pronunciation or grammar. When children enjoy the learning process, they become more motivated to improve. Finally, how do I myself as a future elementary school teacher? I want to become a teacher who never stopping learning. I know that my English is still developing, so I will continue practicing by reading books, watching education videos, listening to English podcasts, and communicating in English whenever possible. I believe that a good teacher should always improve his or her knowledge and skill. My commitment is to create English lessons that are enjoyable, meaningful, interactive, and connected to student daily life. I want every child to believe that learning English is fun, not frightening. I also want my classroom to be a place where students feel confident to speak, ask questions, and learn from their mistakes. In conclusion, I believe that English is much more than a foreign language. It is a bridge that connects children with knowledge, opportunities, and the wider world. As a future elementary school teacher, I'm committed to becoming a creative, caring, and passionate educator to inspire students to love learning English from an early age. I hope that to enjoyable and meaningful learning experience. My future student will not only develop their English skill, but also become confident, respectful, and lifelong learners. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a wonderful day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.